Hi traders, welcome in Trading Zone. Today is my last video for this fantastic month we see together. We pass together. I am a little emotional. Sorry. So I was very happy to do this big work together. I hope that we can return soon with more content. And today probably we are going to take a look at some tips about how to trade the Russell 2000. But before to start, I would like to say thank you very much to everyone who followed the video, and I hope you have enjoyed this my style, my educational form, and I hope that could be very useful for your trading career. So guys, let's conclude with Russell. I would like to start with the very interesting element, probably the characteristic of Russell. Russell, as we know, includes small cap, and normally in the process of a bullish market, small cap are the last to move normally. And in this sense, as I explained you last time, the seasonality could be very helpful because market is a little in excess and probably we can assist some drop. And the best time to buy probably will be after the middle of March, after the option expire, and after May. So the idea is that we have, for example, a potential process to going down and potential process to going up. Normally, in this sense, we can have to understand that Russell could anticipate this movement uh, or delay this movement depending on with the correlation of market. For example, in the uptrend, Russell is normally a little late respect the index, but in case of drop, they can do an important movement and respect the other index, they could maintain a certain range. You can see that we are in a ranging of 2093, 1700 level, and in this sense, we will see that there is chance we are in a big range in this moment. But for example, now we have a chance because if markets start to drop and break, for example, the level we see together probably on Monday, 1961, the chance to retest this level is very high, but also the chance to have a new accumulation phases. So in this sense, Russell, even it's not so volatile like Nasdaq, Dow, and Standard & Poor. Normally, they create a clear range that we can use for our trading with very good stop loss and real success. For example, see the uptrend from the end of October. It's not so big, remain in range. Why Nasdaq new historical hikes, Dow do new historical highs, Standard & Poor do the same. So you can see that this difference is very interesting because if probably with a technical option SPY we can have a drop, but after we can have a chance for a great accumulation. In this sense, it's very technical and use, for example, trend line like this could be very helpful for our trading because you see this instrument is very technical, so probably following simple trend line, for example, it's fantastic. We can have a very great opportunity. So in this sense, on Russell, I recommend to work on two type of time frame: daily, that is very good, and also 50-minute chart will be useful, but more for weekly swing, So for example, or H1 also is good. We can have a chance to find this spike that will be very useful for our trading purpose. So you see, it's very technical. Any excess is absorbed fastly. So you have a different opportunity on on weekly basis work very good. For example, see on the day of inflation last week, you see, and they have all this strong uptrend. When market has to drop, we need a breakout of this zone. For example, if we have something like this, a market reversal, we can try to buy. But if we break, we have a chance to have a very good movement, clear movement, and more simple to follow. This is the big characteristic of Russell, and I would like to recommend to focus on this detail because you can have a very big return in this sense. The main difference is probably the movement that it's better to work weekly than intraday, and that is a little more choppy sometimes respect the other. But when we have a movement on this instrument, it's fantastic. Russell is very beautiful, probably to follow the main movement. Also in the axis is very clear. You see the movement is perfect. So try to enjoy this aspect, because even you do intraday or scalping with USA indexes, have a Russell in your pocket could be very useful when we have situation not so clear, choppy. You know that this index will follow very good the main movement. So my strong advice to work with trend line, and when you have a big difference with Nasdaq, Dow, or Standard & Poor, it's in late, it's very good, because when they start, you have time to position something that is not possible is the index when we have a big pressure. So guys, this is what I would like to recommend for Russell. Of course, the rotation of company is important, but more for big swing. From my side, thank you very much for your big attention, your to following my video on USA indexes. I'm sure that we will return soon. Have a great trading career. And of course, for my side, I repeat, see you soon. Bye bye.